Hi guys, in another video by MTechPro. In recent weeks and months, more and more details have become known about the expected Galaxy S22 series from Samsung. The new smartphone lineup will consist of 3 models. In addition to a base model, a Galaxy S22 Plus is expected, as well as a new top model, the S22 Ultra S22 Note. By far the most specs have already appeared online. The design of all 3 models has also become known through renders. Afterwards, live photos and videos of several dummy devices were also leaked. The leaks shows the new top model from Samsung confirming the design of the back panel. The Ultra model will come with a water drop camera design. Also worth noting is the text that comes with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, depicted in the usual Samsung font. There has been a lot of confusion about the name for a long time. Partly because the new top model resembles the Galaxy Note series a lot in terms of design and functionality. It has been suggested online several times that Samsung will also change the model name. Several possible model names were mentioned, from Galaxy S22 Note to Galaxy Note S22 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Note Ultra. However, the official press image shows that Samsung will maintain the traditional name, which means the Galaxy S21 Ultra will be succeeded. Just as remarkable is the color in which the new top model is depicted. It is a rose pink purple shade. No information is yet available about the name of this Turkish rose variant. It is clear that the Ultra model will also be released in black, white, red and green. Color availability may vary per country. Furthermore, the leaks shows that the S22 Ultra will be compatible with Samsung's S Pen. The stylus pen is shown in a black color, but the end of the stylus pen has the same pink color as the phone itself. Due to the positioning of the phone, the bottom of the device is not clearly visible on the marketing image. Despite this, it is known that the S22 Ultra will be the first Galaxy S series smartphone with a built-in S Pen compartment, as we know from the Galaxy Note lineup. The optional covers with S Pen pocket will therefore be cancelled. Of course, many other official Galaxy S22 accessories are expected. A lot is also known about the camera specs. The base and Plus model will be equipped with a triple camera consisting of a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel zoom camera with 3x optical zoom. The Ultra model will of course get the most advanced camera system. The top model will be equipped with a quad camera. In addition to an upgraded 108-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2 10-megapixel telephoto cameras will be built in for 3x and 10x optical zoom. Samsung is expected to officially announce the Galaxy S22 series in February 9 of 2022. A virtual Galaxy Unpacked event will be set up for this. The new trio will probably go on sale in February 25. Thanks for watching, and I wish to everybody a Merry Christmas. See you in another video.